Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel Hasan Tech. So this is the 2014 edition Yamaha Ray. So now there is an issue with the headlight of this moped. So let's check out what is the problem. You can see the headlight is not operating. So remove this fiber cap. I have already loosened it. Remove the switch. Take a piece of wire and join to the two ends of this pin. You can see. So the problem is with the switch. You can see as I remove the wire, the light goes off. And I reconnect it, it goes again. So there is a problem with the switch. Let's change the switch. Here is the old switch. We have replaced it with a new one. So the light is working perfectly well. So another successful job. After placing the switch in its position, connect this connector to its original position. After joining the new switch, reinsert the fiber cap and tighten the bolts. Friends, thank you for watching the video. Hope so you all liked it. So the topic of next video will be the engine oil change and a cleaning of air filter of the YAMAHA Ray. So until then, keep waiting. Subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and do like it.